Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to go train some arms. Yeah, I just flexed. So, get ready. It's gonna be epic. I just want to point out real quick that my van is way cooler than this white van. They're trying to be cool like me. It ain't happening. My van's way cooler.
Come to me in the night hours. I will wait for you. I can't sleep and thoughts devour. Thoughts of you consume.
That was the end of the bicep and tricep workouts. We're leaving because I got a client call right now. I'm walking backwards on these stairs, gonna fall, so we'll catch you at the house.
You guys will never guess where we are. Not Starbucks. We are at barbecue once again. We are going out with our neighbors. They've done us huge favors with bringing in our mail and just watching the house for us. That we really appreciate them. So we are taking them out to get some barbecue. They're an awesome couple and have two amazing little girls. So we super look forward to that. And we're not gonna bring the camera in with us, right?
No.
Nope.
Barbecue times two.
Times two.
2 teas, good sir. One is gonna be a Trente Passion tea with heavy cream, and the other one is gonna be a Trente green tea, both unsweetened. Okay. And that is how you order tea. By the way, we just got done eating barbecue, and it was just as good the second day as it was the first day. So that is one thing I'll never get tired of.
A little bit of trivia here for you. Robert, after his very first competition, went to Red Lobster and got super sick because he ate way too many carbs. Every time we get Starbucks, Robert does the Starbucks dance.
No, I don't.
You made me do a barbecue dance yesterday.
Yeah, well, you got the moves, baby.
Oh, yeah.
You can shake them hips.
Okay.
What?
That's weird.
It's weird. Thanks, sir.
And the Passion Tango iced tea with heavy cream.
Beautiful. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Getting healthy with my green tea here. Full of antioxidants and stuff. We are making a quick run to Home Depot to pick up more of those black totes for the keto bricks, because we're gonna be making so many of them this month that we need to have more boxes to hold them all. Boom, look at that. Oh, by the way, huge shout out to Christos for the shirt.
Yeah.
That's her version of the shirt.
It's my version. It's super cute.
She got a pink shirt and a pink drink.
And pink toes. And pink fingernails.
And pink lips.
And pink everything.
What are you making there, baby?
Some bone broth.
Bone broth? You excited?
excited.
That looks pretty intense.
Well, this is for Jack.
This is for Jack. Jack's going bone broth. He's hardcore keto. Alright, y'all, let's get done recording the podcast with Trevor White. And it was a super good podcast. I've had several really good podcast conversations lately. I'm excited to publish these. They're not live yet. But we went into the details on like keto, obviously, but like then business and mindset and minimalism, which I don't know how you would define minimalism, but I would consider myself somewhat of a minimalist. I think we've gotten much more so since we've moved back to Arkansas from Washington. Like, we have no furniture in our house right now other than like my desk and chair and a little bitty kitchen table. Like no couches, no TVs, none of that stuff. We're cleaning the house right now because we're about to move in a couple weeks or a month or whatever. And like we took bags and bags of stuff to Goodwill. Like all of my shirts, like I've very little stuff compared to what I used to be like. I used to like aspire to having all this stuff and just having all this quantity. Thought that's what people would value me for. Thought that's where I would find fulfillment. It's totally not true. Now I'm so much more like just minimal. I mean, kind of like this whole conversation, just in tune with what I want. I get the quality things and I don't have the quantity things, and I there's so much to be said for that. I don't have the clutter in my mind. There's so much less that I just have in my life, but the stuff that I do have, I take pride in and I use on a day-to-day basis. Like all the shirts that I didn't wear within the past week, we just got rid of. Basically, we gave them away to Goodwill, and that can bleed into so many aspects and so many areas of your life. Like if you're always trying to get the next big thing, the next expensive shiny toy, you're getting stuck under those payments, and you're just like stuck in a certain way of life because you're bound by those payments, you're bound by the things that you have, you let them rule you. It's just not very conducive to true happiness. And while I have very little right now in life from like a materialistic standpoint, I feel so much more blessed and I feel so much more fulfilled and just more wholesome because the things that I do have in my life I take pride in, and they're just quality things. And they're not even really things, they're more like having less things allows me to build more relationships and put more of an emphasis on people and like engaging in the world around me, which that is the thing that I want to focus on. And this is totally going off on a random tangent right now. Not really sure what this has to do with keto, but you have to just listen to the podcast. We make it full circle. We make it all make sense. But yeah, I just want to encourage y'all to not find your happiness in materialistic possessions. I know that's like cliche, like everybody says that, but like since I've like downsized everything and gotten rid of everything I don't use and have a purpose for, like I just feel so much more complete. So yeah, just got done eating my last meal of the day. All my macros have been met. Crystal's working on bone broth. I'm about to take a shower and get organized for tomorrow, and we shall see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm working on all my clients' macros, so it's going to be a full day of computer work. We're going to train. I don't know what we're going to train yet, but it should be a pretty good day. So we'll catch y'all later.